Today we are going to learn how to say yes and no in Korean. It is very simple. Yes in casual version of Korean is 응, 응. Respectful version of saying yes is 네, 네. So if your friend asks you, "Can I borrow your phone?" and if you are okay with it, you can say 응 and let your friend use your phone. If a person you don't know says, "Could you hold the door for a second?" you can say 네, which is respectful version of saying yes, and hold the door for him or her. Casual version of saying no in Korean is 아니, 아니. Respectful version of saying no is 아니요, 아니요. If your friend asks, "Do you have a boyfriend?" and if you don't, you can say 아니, which is casual version of saying no. If a stranger comes to you and asks, "Can I borrow $1,000 for a second?" you can say 아니요, which is respectful version of saying no in Korean. Thank you. If you like to watch more Korean lesson videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.